This is roughly what a course in Moodle looks like before any modifications are made. By default, Moodle assumes that courses are structured according to weeks, with an assumption of 15 weeks in a semester. The current week is highlighted with green ears. For most AMBS courses offered during a semester, this layout is sensible, but not for every course. It turns out that Moodle 101 is an exceptional course. It does not follow a weekly pattern, but a topical one, and there certainly aren't 15 topics. So let's change those things. In the course, in the Settings block, click Edit Settings. Let me highlight a couple of things on the page that appears. First, note the blue question marks beside nearly every option. Clicking a blue question mark will pop up a brief description of that option. You'll see this a lot in Moodle. It's how Moodle does help. If you prefer to see all your help in one page, scroll to the bottom and click Moodle Docs for this page. Second, note the role renaming section at the bottom of the page. You needn't change the names of these roles at all, but if you do, you should use a generic title like Professor instead of Teacher, or Learner instead of Student. Don't type proper names here. Teacher Susie Sow is not Susie Sow Susie Sow. Third, note the Availability section. Don't change anything here. You want your course to be available to students even if you're not finished creating it yet. Here's why. Students are enrolled in courses only a few weeks before the course starts. By that time, you should have the early weeks or topics set up. But more importantly, if you make your course unavailable, then students who aren't enrolled won't even see the course listed on their front page. This is needlessly panic-causing, and causes needless panic. Please, for the love of all that is holy, don't make your course unavailable. There are other, better ways to hide things from students while you work on finishing your course preparation. With those preliminaries out of the way, let's make this course appear like it ought. First, I'll change the course format to Topics. Then, I'll change the number of topics to 5. I'll scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Ah, this is starting to look like a course.